Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal account off limitation. First, log into your PayPal account and immediately navigate to the Resolution Center. This is where you'll find detailed information about why your account was limited and the specific steps required to restore full access. Limitations are temporary restrictions, often put in place for security, and understanding the exact reason is your crucial first step toward resolution. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it. PayPal places limitations to protect both you and other users from potential fraud or risks. Common reasons include unusual account activity, like large or out-of-pattern transactions, or if someone might be accessing your account without permission. Violating PayPal's acceptable use policy, such as selling prohibited items, or experiencing an excessive number of buyer disputes, claims, or chargebacks can also lead to restrictions. Sometimes, it's simply due to missing or outdated identity and business verification documents. To resolve a limitation, you'll typically need to provide specific documents. This often includes uploading clear, legible copies of a government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport. You may also need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 12 months. For business accounts, invoices, supplier agreements, or proof of fulfillment for sales might be requested. Always ensure that all submitted information precisely matches the details on your PayPal account to avoid delays. After submitting all required documents, PayPal usually reviews the information within 3 to 5 business days. You'll receive an email once the review is complete. If it takes longer, you can contact customer support for an update. To prevent future limitations, maintain consistent transaction patterns, avoid sudden spikes in activity, and always comply with PayPal's acceptable use policy. Regularly update your personal and business information to ensure it remains accurate and current, helping to keep your account in good standing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.